morning, my name is Madison Wolf, and this is my week 15 dissection. This is my workspace. A little bit messy because I'm about to move into nursing school, and these are my structure lists. Alright, so we are going to start with the kidney. The kidneys in my fetal pig were very hard to find, but they are going to be back here, distal to the digestive system. As you can see right there, there's one kidney. And so I used my sheep kidney to describe the different structures. So this is the kidney as a whole. The adrenal gland would sit atop the kidney. And then the ureters will come out the side and drain down into the urinary bladder. So the kidneys are here, and you could see, let me grab my, all right, here you can see either a vein, artery, or, draining into the ureter right here, or the ureter, pardon me, this structure, the ureter, leading from the kidney to the urinary bladder, right there in my pig. And since I have a female pig, the urethra is going to be right here, and the vaginal opening is going to be just before the rectum and anus. So the inner pelvis is going to run inside the length of the kidney. The middle medulla are these balloon-like structures within the kidney. And as already explained, the urinary bladder is what holds urine, and I pointed to that in the pig. And the urethra is where the urine will exit. Okay, and then the outer cortex obviously would be the outermost part of the kidney. So the fetal pig digestive system. Looking at our pig, this is going to be the neck region, which joins the cephalic region, as well as the spine and the torso. All right, so that was our neck region. The esophagus is going to lie just behind the trachea, which is right here, but before the spine, which is to the back, and then this would be the esophagus itself. All right, traveling down past the diaphragm, we're going to then look at the stomach. So right here we have our stomach, and then the liver is going to be right here, and the gallbladder is going to be just underneath that, the structure right here. The duodenum is the part of the stomach that branches out and reaches into the small intestine. I'm sorry, that would, yes. And then the ileum would be the second part of the small intestine. And after that, we'll have the jejunum. And then the pancreas is going to be back here, closer to the spine behind the stomach. And then the spleen will lie just under the pancreas. And the large intestine will surround the digestive system, and it is much bigger and longer than the small intestine. So the uterine body will be the outside of the urinary bladder. In here, it's a little bit hard to see the cervix and the ovaries, but in this region, we would have the cervix, and we would also have the two ovaries on either side of the pig, and then holding those two ovaries in place or branching them into the rest of the female anatomy would be the fallopian tubes. Okay, and that concludes my dissection.